in Thinkific and you have a video that has frozen in not the position that you want the speaker to be in, with their mouth open or their eyes half open, a hot tip for in Thinkific, if you're finding that the thumbnail won't load, and when you select a thumbnail picture and it's not loading, go to a different browser. I found that in the Google Chrome, it wasn't working, but in my other browser, which is Microsoft Edge, it did work. So just switch browsers if you're finding that a thumbnail is not uploading, for you to be able to have a specific thumbnail for your video in Thinkific. And in your video libraries, where you would also add closed captions and where you would double check your details. I hope you find this hot tip very helpful. If you're running into this issue where a thumbnail won't load, change your browser.